principal ma'am, all the hardworking teacher and non-teaching staff member of Clan Academy, and my dear friend. First of all, very charming good morning to all of you. This is me, Kagal Hedra, on behalf of class 3rd. Today I am commanding this morning lesson. So class, attention! Stand at ease. Attention! Stand at ease. Attention. Members and Clan Academy and my dear friend. This is me, Vaibhav Negia, reading class 2nd. Today my page, get 34 page. My country. All Indians are my brother and sister. I love my country. And I am proud of. It's such a very handy. Action always. Strive to be a loyal and worthy citizen of it. I also respect to my parents, teachers, and elders. I also kindness to animal, to my country, and my people. I pledge my devotion in their happiness and prosperity. May God give a countryman peace and prosperity. जय हिंद. भारत माता की जय. भारत माता की जय. National anthem loudly and correctly. Now start. To call Garima Purple. Chairman, principal and all the other teacher and my dear friend. First of all, good morning, honorable my from class UKG. Today my Hindi prayer means एक चिड़िया के बच्चे चार घर से निकले पूरब से पश्चिम को जाए उत्तर से दक्षिण को आए घूम घूम जो घर को आए मम्मी को एक बात सुनो देख जग सारा हमारा घर है सबसे प्यारा। मैं इस पोएम में टिप्पी 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 मैं देखो टिप्पी 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 to answer टिप्पी 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 through the house टिप्पी 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 तो start ऐसे नाचते थोड़ा नाचते। Good morning to all the channels. I respected Vincent and all the staff members of Bhutan Academy and my dear friends. First of all, good morning all of you. My name is Hardik Ketwal from class 3rd. All the staff members of Bhutan Academy and my dear friends. First of all, good morning all of you. My name is Hardik Ketwal from class 3rd. Today I am standing here to say third. My third is like that. Lost time never found again. I repeat my third once again. Lost time never found again. I repeat my third Hindi translation is खोया हुआ समय कभी वापस नहीं मिलता. Thank you, very nice day. Check intelligent you are. So now I would like to call Jyoti for GK question. Good morning, all the parents, sir, respected principal ma'am, and all the teaching and non-teaching staff of Tran Academy, and my dear friend. This is me, Jyoti Ketwal, on behalf of class 3rd. Today I am standing here to ask you some GK question, and my GK question topic is about Taj Mahal. And my first question is, where is Taj Mahal located? Yes, my answer is correct. The correct answer is Agra. And my next, who built the Taj Mahal?
Class first and second.
I'll repeat my question once again. Who built? Yes, my answer is correct. The correct answer is Shah Jahan. And my next question is, memory of whom was the Taj Mahal built? Yes, my answer is correct. The correct answer is Mumtaz Mahal. And my next question is, which material was mainly used to build the Taj Mahal? Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is white marble. And my next question is, in which century was the Taj Mahal built? No, your answer is wrong. The correct answer is 17th century. Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is 17th century. And my next question is, how many years did it take to complete the Taj Mahal? No, your answer is wrong. The correct answer is 20 years, 6 months. No, your answer is wrong. The correct answer is 22 years. And my next question is, who was the chief architecture of the Taj Mahal? I repeat my question once again. Who was the chief architecture of the Taj Mahal? Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is Taj Ahmad Lahori. Senior for news headlines.
And all the worthy staff of Tran Academy and my dear friend. Good morning to you all. This is me, Utkarsh Sotila, on behalf of class 9. Today I am here to inform you with some current happenings. So my first news is from international. UN believes more than 100 people died in Tanzania after the protest of elections. And my next news is from national. Modi is going to return from Bhutan. And my next news is going to return from Bhutan. And my next news is the blast in Red Fort. Kashmir police searched 200 other places for the matters. And my next news is from state. Soon PM Modi and our Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami will meet for the journey of development of Uttarakhand. And my next news is from sports. Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma will play the domestic cricket ODI for India. And my next news is from technology. iPhone 17 has been launched its new feature with by charging. And my next news is France will develop its France is working to develop its road, which will convert its kinetic energy to electricity. And my next news is from temperature. Today is highest temperature of Bageshwar is 24 degrees Celsius, and the maybe minimum temperature of Bageshwar is 10 degrees Celsius. Wind will move with the speed of 5 km per hour. Thank you and have a nice day.
So now I have to call our senior theoretical.
शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यसुख सर्वदा शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपं ज्योति नमस्तुते. The light of diyas which brings the happiness, positivity, good thinkings. We have to both these lights in our minds. With these wonderful lines, honorable chairman sir, respected principal ma'am, all the staff members of Uttarayan Academy, and my dear friends. First of all, very charming good morning to all of you. This is me Tanisha Khetal from class 9. Today I am standing here for my article on the topic of fundamental rights. First, what is fundamental rights? Fundamental rights are the usual constitution. Tell me what is fundamental rights?
The fundamental rights are the basic rights of citizens that are given by the Constitution.
Yes, your answer is correct. It is a liberty rules of the constitutions which are individually given by the constitution by the international law and the fundamental rights in India. India having the 6 fundamental rights. First, right to equality. It is the equality for the all citizens and no shall be discriminated. Next, right to freedom. Freedom for the all citizens of the India that no one can be, they are having their own freedom. Next is the right of exploitations. It is focused on the labours, like a child labours. There should be no any child labours. And the cultures, right for the freedom of any cultures. Every cultures have their freedoms and every religion has their freedoms. Next, the cultural and the educational rights. Every culture has their rights and the education for all the students. Rights and they can establish their own education institutions. And the last is the rights to constitutional remedies, which is in the Article 36. And there is some rights like some articles like Article 12, which state the purpose of the fundamental rights, and the Article 21A, which states the education for the children and the free and compulsory education for the children of the age group of 6 to 14 years of the students. Today this much only. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Motivators. So I would like to call Ramel.
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
I just want to listen your loud and energetic voice. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, Honorable Chairman, sir, respected Principal Ma'am, my colleague teachers and dear students. Again, warm good morning. Today I feel proud to speak about Indian women cricket team won ICC World Cup. As you know very well, you heard this news last week, I think, right? Have you heard? Yes. Why I am repeating this news here? Because this is a historical moment for all, especially for the women, Indian women, right? It is not only just happened in an overnight. It happened with large and long time ago, with the hard work, with the dedication of the players and the women, right? Do you know when Indian women cricket team formed? Nobody? Any guesses? No? 1973. And the first match they played with mighty West Indies in 1976. Right? When? 1976. And India won. But Indian women do hard work, especially the cricketers. Even if they want to choose their career, they face many challenges, many hurdles. Society expects from them, first they cook, they care, they clean, they serve, after that they choose their career, right? Even they study and many more things. But we are in educated India, this time we all encourage women, even if they are in study, they are in sports, where they all are, right? So I just want to speak this moment again here because this is a historical moment for all. You know, Idiosi. Have you heard the name Idiosi? No. Jhulan Devi, Jhulan Goswami, I think. Methali Raj. Yes, yes. They all are our prayers, but they pray with spirit, courage. Because at that time there is no scope in cricket, even though no proper kits, no proper resources, but they play with their spirit only. They influence our new players like Harmanpreet Kaur. Who is she? Captain of this time, she is the captain of Indian women cricket team. Sefali Verma, right? Sneha Rana. Who is Sneha Rana? You all must know. Yes, she is from Uttarakhand. She represent Uttarakhand, right? You, if the match will play, you all watch, you all listen, even you all pass the message. Oh, Virat Kohli won. Virat Kohli hit 100-run century. But if the women start, nobody cares. All are wait for the newspaper news headlines and wait for this only. And oh, acha, girls what? That much only. But Beta, you should have to encourage women, even if they are studying, even if they are players, because they do many hard work before this, right? So before this might end. Before ending speech, I just want to say, Yatra Naryasu Pujyate Ramte Tatra Devata. It means where women are respected, honored, there only God rejoices. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Principal ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Kavya. Let's start with the good morning. So, good morning to all the chairman sir, all the respected teachers, and my dear students. Very, very good morning. So, well, children, so after this whole assembly activities, it is going to conclude that the activities overall are okay. So, let's start from the first activity, and it was the prayer. And so, prayer students but need some improvement, and those having the tongue, so they must require the practice one day before or the 1 week before, because already you are getting the at least 1 week, one or I think more than 1 week you all the classes are getting for this prayer practice. Is right? Yes? So it was okay, but these are the junior most classes, but teachers, the music man, please take their practices regularly. Is right? And next one is the pledge of by this Vaibhav Negi. So good clap for this boy, and the prayer students also Kavya. And next one is the after that national anthem sung by who sung this national anthem? Swara. Yes, clap for her also. And next one is the thought. What the thought was there? Have you listened to the thought? Thought, Pia Negi. Yes, if the time gone can't be find again. So this is very true, very true. So once the times you lost your times and you waste your times, so later on you will not get this time, so utilize the time. Sit down. Next one is the GK questions. GK question is about the Taj Mahal. So mostly the junior students, this was the junior level of question, but I think our junior most, especially class first, second also should be introduced to these type of topics in front of them. Okay, and so clap for the GK asking students who have asked this. Jyoti, and the students who have answered more, because study students have answered, so I can't take particular names, right? Clap for everyone. And next one is the news headlines. So news headlines updated by Utkarsh Rautelas, okay? And but whenever you are taking the name of any dignitaries persons, so you have to take respect only, and also explain that key, so which field they are belonging.